Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you have not watched my first video, which was about business account creation, I would suggest definitely check it out. And without wasting any further minute, let's jump into today's content, which is about ad account creation. How to create a advertiser account or ad account. Now, question will come, what is ad account? I mean, we already created a business account, then why ad account? So I want to tell you all, even in Facebook, also you have the similar kind of platform. So let's talk about Pinterest, Pinterest platform. So once you create a business account, you cannot just directly go and promote your pins. First, you need to create an ad account. Then, once you create an ad account, you need to save your billing details. Once your billing details, I mean, your credit card information is saved, then you're good to go. You can start running ads. Now, before I proceed to the steps how you can create an ad account, let me talk about a very important thing. Most of the people I have interacted with on Pinterest, most of them are creators and new business owners or new brand owners, and they just started, or it's been couple of months for them in the market. So they will come up with one question that I want to run ads, and they get very excited. They want to increase the reach of their brand. They want to create awareness about their brand, and also get conversion through those ads. We understand the excitement. I mean, I totally understand the excitement because everybody wants to join the trend. Nobody wants to stay back. They also want, at this time, we all know what is the power of social media and all these platforms. So everybody wants to just directly go and create a pin or create a content and then promote it. But it might work. You will get reach, you will get clicks, conversion, and all that, all those things. But ideally, what I would suggest, based on my experience, if you are a new advertiser or a new brand owner, I would suggest try to understand the platform. I mean, how it works. Basically, there are every platform offers so many features. Similarly, Pinterest also has so many features, but not every feature is useful for everybody. Okay. And when you are starting out, I would suggest you focus a little bit on content creation and also organic promotion. Once you are getting started getting result, then you can switch to paid version of promotion. Okay, simply jumping to paid ads will not be a solution. And also, there is a very important question I get, which is mostly from countries such as India, because I'm also from India. So most of the Indian based users or Pakistan based users, or there are certain countries, pinners or advertisers will reach out to the Pinterest platform, and they will talk about that how can I promote my content. But there is a certain limitation that I'm going to talk about. Pinterest ad services is not available in all the countries. You need to understand that Pinterest is not a very huge platform like Facebook or Twitter or Google. Okay, so they are improving. Their popularity is increasing, but still they are not present in every country. I mean, as a pinner, if you want to create an account, in most of the countries Pinterest is available. Only there are certain selected countries such as North Korea, Iran, where you will not be able to create an account. But apart from that, any other countries you can create an account, you can download the app, you can create your uh, personal account on Pinterest and start using it, start searching for ideas. But for ads, like promotion, I mean promoting your content, it is only available to 34 countries at this time. So I would show you the list. This is the help page. I will also share this link in the description, promoted pin overview, or also this is the second one, which is ads availability. You will find all the list of countries where ad services is available. It's only 34 countries, so you can understand, I mean, how many, like there are so many countries where ads are not available. And it's not only India or Asian countries. There are so many European countries, Latin American countries, African countries where ads are not available. But recently, I mean, a year back, 1.5 year back, Japan was added to the list. Previously Japan was also not there, so Japan was added to the list. So gradually the Pinterest team is also working to add more and more countries to the list. See, as a platform, they also want to grow. They also want more advertisers, more merchants on their platform, because these are the people who will be using their paid services, right? So Pinterest as a platform will definitely want to launch their ad services in countries such as India, and there are so many other countries also, and Pakistan as well. But there are certain logistical issues, and probably we have to wait for some time, and definitely it will be launched. But till then, you can't just say that, oh, I can't run my ads on Pinterest, I'll just leave Pinterest, I'll focus on Facebook and Instagram. You can do that. I mean, you can focus more on Facebook and Instagram, but completely leaving out a platform altogether will not be a ideal decision. I want to tell you one thing, that Pinterest has the most effective organic reach. There will be reports and analytics stating that, so and so platform has better organic reach. But I'm telling you, for my personal experience, you will also understand um, that Pinterest has a very highly, I mean, effective organic reach. But there are a few things that you need to follow. First is focus on or content creation. Your content needs to be appealing, catching, right? And also you need to follow the best practices that is suggested by Pinterest, and have a little bit of patience. Once you have these three, then definitely you will get results. So that is all about these limitation and additional question. Without wasting any further minute, let's jump into the steps of ad account creation. So I already selected my country as India, because I live in India, so yeah, I selected my country as India. So you can see this personal information, and country is selected as India. Now you see this these options: business, create, analytics, all these options, right? So there is no way, if you click on this create, business, or any other settings, you do not have any option to create a ad account, because ad services are not available in India. Now, what if I change the country to United States, right? United States or any of the countries where ads are available. So if I just, the moment I save it, make this changes, you see this new tab appearing on the profile. This only appears if you are using it from a ad supported country. So the moment I change it, this new option got enabled on my account. Now ad account, once you create an ad account, it is not only for promoting your pins or creating ads or creating campaign. There are certain additional benefit, I mean additional features also will get enabled on your account, such as conversion, audience, ad account history, billing, recommendation, reporting, um, and also there is another option called Catalog is not appearing right now. I'm not sure why, but there is another option called Catalog. Now I will just tell you in short, like what are these options. Basically, reporting and custom reports will show you how your campaign and ads are performing, right? And in conversion, basically you will be able to track all the checkout, page visit, or add to cart happening on your website, on your own website. So all these things you will be able to track. Audiences, you can create an audience for a specific pin or for a specific campaign, and based on that you can use that audience to target on your next campaign. So we will discuss more in detail in our next video, because that is going to take some time. So let's see how to create an ad account. So ads, if I once ads is enabled, there is no option to create an ad account. I'll just click on create campaign. The moment I click on campaign, it will take me to this option, which is ads.pinterest. And you see this welcome screen. It is asking me to select the currency. So by default, the currency will be selected as USD. I mean, this currency is selected based on the country. So USD is selected. I clicked on next. Just wait for a second. It is asking me to select the accept the agreement. So basically the agreement is all about like what a kind of content is available, I mean you can promote and all those things. So you can accept it or you can go through the agreement as well. Now the ad account is created, right? So this option is added. So you see this viewing pin your story. Now this is my ad account name. Okay, so this is my ad account name. Now you will be wondering like, can I create multiple ad accounts? Yes, of course. So under one business account you can create up to 50 ad accounts, um, one by one, just like pin your story. I can add one more, one, two, three, so on. But it is always recommended that to keep fewer ad accounts, or otherwise it will be creating a lot of confusion to manage. Because what happens is, for bigger businesses or bigger brands such as Nike or Adidas, who has presence in multiple countries, right? So they will create ad account for each of the country. So, okay, right. So for them it is ideal, but for others, I would suggest, create one or two ad account based on your usage. But if you create multiple ad account, unnecessarily it will create a confusion. Now if you want to change this name, you can also do it by going to settings. You will sorry By going to billing option from ads, by going just billing. And now here you this see this name, business name, you can change it and make changes here. And also in this payment setting, you can update your business address. Billing history will show you how many bills got generated. We will talk about the billing in a separate video. And promotion means sometime part Pinterest releases certain credits or coupons to encourage advertisers. So if you are eligible for a coupon, it will be visible here. Now in the payment settings, you after updating the business address, if you scroll down, you need to add your payment information as well. So there you will, if you scroll down, you will find it. I mean, once you update it, it will show you the option to add the credit card. So without adding any payment information, you will not be able to run ads. Even if you create it, it will not deliver. So you need to have a valid payment method. Now we talked about that if you are from India or from any other non-ad supported country, you will not be able to create an ad account, and that is the reason we changed the ad account country to you. I mean profile, on the public profile we changed the country to US, and then it got enabled. Now some of you might be wondering, what if I select US and start promoting ads even if I'm living in India? So I want to make it clear that even if you are changing it to US, I mean, just so that you will be able to create an ad account, still you need to update a valid US based business address. Now, if your business has a presence in US country, then you can update it, of course. But most of the advertisers or brand owners do not have a presence in multiple countries. So even if you are able to create an ad account by selecting a different country, you will not be able to move further, or you will not be able to promote your pins, because it requires a valid business address. So all these are required information. So if you are not able to enter this, you cannot promote your pins. So this is the steps how you can create an ad account. So I will share all this information. There is also a separate help center article on ad account creation. So I'll share that in the description as well. So that is all about today's video. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section, whether you like it or not, and what kind of content you would like to see in this channel. I would definitely make a video on that. So thank you all for viewing. Stay healthy, stay safe, and keep learning. Thank you so much.